If you think you know where your favorite cheat meals come from, think again. Today we're auditing the bizarre, accidental, and downright vengeful histories behind the world's most iconic fried foods. Let's dive in. 1. French fries, Belgium. First off, French fries aren't French. They were invented in Belgium in the late 1600s. When the Meuse River froze over and villagers couldn't fish, they cut potatoes into fish shapes and fried them instead. American soldiers stationed in Belgium during WWI tasted them, assumed they were French because the Belgian army spoke French, and brought the name home. Belgium has been trying to correct this mistake for a century, but nobody is listening. 2. The corn dog, Texas, 1942. Invented at the Texas State Fair by Neil Fletcher, the corn dog solved a problem nobody had formally named: how to eat a hot dog on a stick without a plate. It was an instant state fair hit. Fast forward 80 years, and a Korean reinvention using rice flour and potato coatings had lines stretching around American city blocks. 3. Nashville Hot Chicken, the revenge meal. In the 1930s, Thornton Prince's girlfriend was furious about his late nights out. To punish him, she loaded his fried chicken with cayenne pepper. The plan backfired completely. He loved it, opened Prince's hot chicken shack, and a legendary dish was born. 80 years later, it's a billion-dollar fast food category, though the girlfriend never got the credit. 4. Fish and chips, the cross-cultural staple. This British staple is actually a global fusion. In the 1860s, Jewish immigrants from Portugal brought fried fish to London, and locals paired it with chips. It became the ultimate working-class fuel through 2 world wars. Winston Churchill even called them good companions. 5. Fried shrimp and popcorn shrimp, the tech boom. Fried shrimp became an American diner staple in the 1950s, thanks to flash freezing technology, which brought Gulf shrimp inland for the first time. In 1974, Red Lobster introduced bite-sized popcorn shrimp, turning a coastal luxury into one of the most ordered items in casual dining history. 6. Fried mac and cheese bites, the fair experiment. Born in the 2000s from the classic state fair question, what happens if we fry this? Because chilled mac and cheese holds its shape, it creates a perfect molten interior when breaded and deep-fried. Applebee's put them on the national menu in 2010, and an appetizer icon was born. 7. Fried ice cream, thermal physics. Frying ice cream requires extreme physics. A scoop is frozen rock hard, coated in cornflakes, and dropped into boiling oil for under 30 seconds. The crust cooks instantly, while the inside stays frozen. Despite being popularized by the Chi-Chi's chain in the 80s as a Mexican dessert, it was invented purely for the American market. 8. Southern fried chicken, the ultimate fusion. This legendary dish emerged from 2 traditions in the American South. Scottish immigrants brought the technique of frying chicken in fat, while enslaved West Africans contributed the heavy seasoning and marinating. The combination changed global food forever. The science: the secret is buttermilk. Its mild acidity breaks down muscle fibers, locking in moisture and helping the flour grip the meat to create that ultra-craggier crust. 9. Onion rings, corporate marketing. Onion rings didn't come from a chef, they came from an ad. The first recipe appeared in a 1933 Crisco advertisement. Burger King took them national in 1975, sparking a fast food side dish war with French fries that still rages today. 10. Jalapeño Poppers, pain and relief. Popularized by TGIY Fridays in the 1980s, the dynamic here is simple: a heavy crunch, a burst of jalapeno pain, and immediate cream cheese relief. It's a psychological masterclass in a single bite. 11. Mozzarella Sticks, the cheese pull. Invented in the 1970s, mozzarella sticks were engineered so the breading crisps up right before the cheese completely melts. This created the iconic cheese pull, a visual marketing tool that sold millions of appetizers long before Instagram existed. 12. KFC, the speed of pressure frying. Colonel Sanders didn't invent fried chicken, he invented a way to cook it fast. In the 1930s, he used a pressure fryer to cut cooking times from 15 minutes to 9, locking in moisture. Today, it's a global phenomenon, especially in Japan, where KFC is the definitive must-book weeks in advance Christmas dinner. 13. The Scotch Egg, the class traveler. Invented in 1738 by the luxury department store Fortnum & Mason, this sausage-wrapped boiled egg started as a snack for wealthy carriage travelers. Over 300 years, it traveled down to pub food, up to trendy gastropubs, and down to gas station plastic packs. It has survived every class system. 14. Waffle Fries, engineering crispy edges. Invented by Chick-fil-A in the 1980s, waffle fries use a unique 90-degree mandolin slice. This design maximizes surface area, meaning more crispy edges per fry. The shape became so iconic that customers call them Chick-fil-A fries, no matter who serves them. If this journey through fried food history changed how you look at your next cheat meal, hit that subscribe button and like Bite Audit. We're uncovering the culinary secrets shaping menus worldwide. Let's audit the future of flavor together. See you in the next episode.